Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install an LED corner light. You can get these on Temu, Amazon, Aliexpress, and more. Check the links in the description. Most of the time they'll have two holes facing the top or the bottom where you're eventually going to put in screws to tighten it. When it slides in perfectly, you'll be able to connect the pins from one pole to the other. Be gentle with this because you don't want to damage those pins, so give it a bit of a wiggle as you gently push it down into place. Just be sure to line up the grooves again. And give the rubber cover a little squeeze with your hands and wiggle them into place. And then insert the USB cable into any USB port power source. As well as being able to control the brightness, you can dim it or brighten it to your liking. And they have other options such as flashing modes, fading modes, strobe-like effect. And a mode where the lights will react or respond to the noise, music, or voice.
Voice test. 1, 2, 3. Voice test. 1, 2, 3. Voice test. 1, 2, 3.
Now some of these LED corner lights face outward, like the one you saw before, or face inward like this one. The lights are facing towards the wall, and you'll get the light effect ambience on the wall as opposed to direct light shining forward. So it all depends on the effect you're going for, but you can always choose to turn them around if you want. And that's it. I hope this was helpful. Please check the links in the description for more information on these lights and where you can get them. And to show your appreciation or support, please don't forget to give a like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.